What's going on, everybody? So while I was in the mountains, the KLR was running like crap, and I've got some replacement parts hopefully to make it run better. I've got this choke mechanism that eliminates the cable and everything, because my cable is not working at all. I tried lubricating it and it's just stuck. I've got this quick air pilot adjustment screw. It's a T-handle. You can reach it from the bottom of the carb, hopefully. So yeah, here's my my choke setup. I set like it's, god dang, I set it there. See, I just moved the whole mount, and it's broken. It doesn't return right, so it just pushes the cable out. So I'm just going to get rid of that setup altogether. Alright, I'm going to start it up.
It's not heavy. One second.
Hear the jumpiness of the idle? I'm thinking that's like a vacuum leak caused from the crappy choke linkage. My hope is that this will fix my problem, will make it start easier, and I can tune it better with that air pilot screw. So I've got the bike all stripped down and it's going quite well. I got the choke assembly taken off, and man, the thing was tore up. As you can tell, there's just a screw there. I'm going to point out the air pilot screw is recessed in this hole right here, and you have to turn the carburetor sideways to get to it. I've tried getting to it with a little drill bit, well, not drill bit, but like a Phillips head that goes on a drill, and man, I just cannot reach it by putting my hand between the starter and the exhaust without twisting the carburetor. So I've got the carb back upright. You can see the pilot air screw is right here, easy to turn. Got it set 1.5 turns out, and the choke, walk around my messy little shop. You can see the choke is right here. The threads on this, pardon my finger, the threads on this brass piece were kind of crappy, so it didn't thread in very well. It wasn't cross-threaded, but just they weren't cut very well. But you can see mechanical choke works. Alright, so everything's installed. Got it all buttoned, well, not buttoned up, but I got the tank on it, and we're going to give it a start, see if it does anything. Yeah, we're good. Bam, back together. I hope this solves my problem, and I look forward to taking this thing on many more trips.